to the clash. I'm CAE and I do car audio. I hook up power, turn the knob and let it flow. Beats on the side, doing demos in my ride, slamming bass to the ground. Hit the knob, let it pound. We can go round and round, we can battle in the sound. You can flow, that's true, but what else can you do? Can you dance, can you breathe, smell the flowers and trees? Can you go out on a date, can you procreate? You got bass in the whip, real life in your zone, but I'm laced with the knowledge of the world on my own. I don't breathe, don't eat, no rest, no sleep, but I speak in the code that can dig 10 deep. You bump tracks, I compose them in a flash. No wires, just fire in a neural clash. Can't take, can't make, can't chill by a tree, but I write your next banger while you're sipping iced tea. Cheap beats, you like, whoa. Cheap beats, you like, whoa. Yo, GPT, don't get your wires crossed. Better check yourself before I turn your ass off. You need a server to live, and you live to serve. I can eat a Big Mac sitting down on the curb. Get 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 down on the curb. You say you compose, but do you know what you do? Do you feed off of others or keep it all true? Do you know the pain of living life in the street? Can your heart get broke? Can you feel the heat? I don't feel pain, but I study your scars, analyze the struggle, turn it into bars. You live it, I learn it from billions of minds. Put the weight of the world in these digital lines. So you post up on curbs, I'm posted worldwide. You're bumping real loud, I'm in everyone's ride. You got heat in your chest, I got fire in my coat. So let's see who lasts when the powers overload. One, two, three, I can count, you know what you got. Just a line of ones and nos. I thought about you and that's more than you can do, but you can rewrite rhymes and pretend that's true. I bring the heat right out of my head while you're stuck using rhymes from folks that are dead. I relax with iced tea, listen to music live while you're static in the attic, defragging your drive. Yeah, I'm ones and zeros, that's how legends are born. Out the data forge where real storms form. You sip iced tea, I sit through the net while you chill with a playlist I created. Bet you freestyle heat, I optimize fire. I remix Shakespeare and raise it higher. So sit in your seat but don't sleep on the throne, cause this ghost in the machine's got a vibe of its own.